Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna continue our lesson about Chinese basic sentence order. In this video, we will learn about other useful vocabularies. Let's go!他们看电影。他们看电影。看 is to look or to watch, right? And 电影 means movie. So they watch movie. And another object for 看 is 电视。电视 which means television. So 他们看电视。The next one is 妹妹玩手机。玩 is to play and 手机 is smartphone. And 妹妹 is younger sister. So 妹妹玩手机 means younger sister plays smartphone. Another object that we can use with 玩 is 电脑。which means laptop. 妹妹玩电脑。The next one is 我听音乐。听 means to listen to. 音乐 means music or song. So 我听音乐 I listen to music. Another useful verb is 姐姐洗澡。姐姐 means elder sister. 洗澡 means to take a shower. So 姐姐洗澡 means elder sister takes a shower. Another one is 姐姐 is elder sister. 洗 is to wash. And 衣服 is clothes. So 姐姐洗衣服 means elder sister washes clothes. Another object that we can use with 洗 to wash is 杯子. Beizi means cups. So 姐姐洗杯子. And another one is one itself means bowl, but 洗碗 means to wash dishes. The next sentence is 哥哥喜欢狗. 喜欢 means to like. 哥哥 means elder brother. 狗 means dog. So 哥哥喜欢狗 means elder brother likes dog. Another one is 弟弟喜欢猫. 弟弟 means younger brother. 喜欢 is to like. 猫 is cat. So 弟弟喜欢猫 means younger brother likes cat. And for the last sentence, 我想你. 我 means I, 你 means you. 想 has several meanings, but in this sentence, it means to miss someone. So 我想你, I miss you. So before we finish today's lesson, let's review some of the vocabularies that we just learned. Okay, let's go. 看 玩 听 洗澡 喜欢 电影 电视 手机 电脑 音乐 衣服 杯子 狗 猫. Wow, today we have learned a lot of new vocabularies, and I hope this lesson could help you guys learn about Chinese basic sentence order and some new Chinese vocabularies. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. 加油!